Hey guys, welcome back to the Trick Shift Garage YouTube channel. So in this video I want to show you guys really quick how to go ahead and replace just the brake light bulbs when they go out. So let's get started. Is to remove this clip and this clip. And just pull it out. So you want to get in there like this and kind of get that loose. And then once you pull that out, then this part can be squeezed and you can pull it out. All right, here's the other one. We should be able to have enough room. We can peel this back. There's going to be two bolts and you can't really see them right away because they're kind of hidden under these clips. You see this one here? And then there's one here. So yours should be kind of basically hiding in plain sight. The next step is going to be taking these bolts or these nuts off. You will need like an extended socket because these studs are kind of too long for a standard size 8mm. So this is an extension, or just use an 8mm wrench. I mean, that will work too. Whatever you got on hand. So we're just going to loosen these. Let's get this one here. Okay, here's the last one. Now that we've got the studs out, we can pull the taillight, grab underneath here. Okay, and then you want to slowly kind of come up with it. It should pop out, just be careful. Why it was so difficult to pull out is because there's these kind of push pin fasteners you got to be careful for. And also there's another one that should be here that mine actually broke some time ago. I don't even know when. But anyway, those three spots, be careful while you're pulling it out or you might, like I did one of mine, break it. Okay, so once you get the taillight assembly out, this is your brake light bulb. And what you can do is always just match it up by flipping it over. So all you have to do is unscrew it about a quarter turn like that, and it should pop out. Now, and all you gotta do, just grab it by the base here and then give it a good pull like that, and then it comes out. Okay, so the bulb that you need in order to replace the brake light bulb is going to be a 3157, and I just grabbed one from Slovenia. You can grab them off of Amazon, Walmart, AutoZone, Pep Boys. I mean, all the stores really have this brand. So then at this point, all you got to do is line up the plug and then basically push in until you hear it click. There you go. You know, before we put everything back, we just want to check the bulb, make sure it works. Okay, so you can see the bulb lighting up. We're good to go. So then after that point, we're going to take it, put it back into the socket, and just keep turning until you feel it go in, like so. And then once it goes in, about a quarter turn clockwise, and you're in. We're going to go ahead and put it in. So you just want to line up those studs, and then you're going to push down like vertically to lock it in place. Okay, so next step is to go ahead and take our 8mm nut, and we're going to screw it back in. Okay, got it tighten, and just a little snug. Don't want to kill it too much because then you could strip it or break it. So once you get those two nuts back in, you go ahead, take your clips again, kind of tack it in place. Once you got everything tightened and buttoned back in, you're gonna go ahead and get your liner, and you're just gonna tuck it back in. All right, so then we're gonna ahead and take our clips, and you want to start with this top part kind of like out, and then once you actually get it into the hole, then you can push the center part in like this. Okay, and that locks it in place. And then you grab the other one, same thing, get it started, and then once you actually get the bottom in, then you can push it in like that, and that locks that in place. All right guys, that's it for this video. The brake light bulb is back inside. Everything's working well with it. If you like our work, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell for more Trick Shift Garage videos. We'll see you on the next one.